All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning into another video. Before we get going, just wanted to give a huge thanks to any returning viewers, any future viewers. Thank you for landing on this channel. My name is Jason. I just talk about random adventures that I have as a dad, all things dadness. You know, it's kind of a conglomeration. You know, we do a little bit of everything on this channel. So thanks for showing up. So the premise of this video originally was going to be, we have some lawn furniture that essentially needs a new tarp because our old tarp situation just wasn't working out. Some backstory, we live here in Minnesota, and one of the windiest portions of the country, I learned over the years here. So essentially that's kind of what this was. So in this video, it'll be about me going and purchasing a tarp, but what I did not expect was that we were going to have a huge windstorm, you know, just the day after purchasing this thing. So as you can see in the video, and I'll just let it play here, things kind of worked out, and this kind of became a story about how the tarp survived and kind of its story. So I hope you guys enjoy. Big tarp.
Papa, tayo bate.
No, it's not.
You bate?
Candy's not. All right, well, here's the final product. We might end up changing things around. Who knows? but my intention was to absolutely 100% surround this patio furniture set with tarp. Overkill? Probably. Necessary? Absolutely. The winds here are definitely a real everyday occurrence. Tomorrow is no exception. We've already gotten word that there might be tornado style winds, so all the other tarps that we've used have like torn to shreds or blown away or something. So we'll see how long this thing lasts here. Tarp versus wind. All right, my helper. Yes, you've been helping the whole time.
System coming in from the west. Its warm front's going to work its way across the map through tonight. Temperatures actually climbing through the night. 40s by tomorrow morning and well into the 50s. Some spots may even touch 60. Now, all of that will be going with some strong winds from 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon to 3 a.m. Thursday. We have a high wind warning now in effect in the area. Possibility of gusts to 60 miles per hour coupled with thunderstorm threat. Latest from the Storm Prediction Center places our area at level 2 out of 5 for that severe weather risk. Damaging winds. Kind of a safe bet, unfortunately. I've been talking about 60 mile per hour winds, even if
Whoa, Nelly. In some places they call that a high storm. So here's a clip of the highest winds of the night that evening, 70 to 80 mile an hour. Man, this one was me struggling with this tarp that was holding on that table and those chairs. As you see, the chairs went flying. The tarp is barely hanging in there. So just kind of working my way through those big gusts here and trying not to get blown over that retaining wall. So great stuff right there. might do. That might do for a little while, at least until it gets windy again, which it will get windy again. So who knows? Who knows? Who knows how long this will last? We'll give it a try here. We'll give it a try. All I know is I need more rope. So hopefully you guys can see. Oh man, yeah, the wind here is just no joke, and that was no exception at all. The record was 70 to 80 mile an hour wind gusts. There were actually, I believe, 6 or 7 tornadoes that actually touched down in this area. I was talking to a lady earlier, and you know, she had some damage as well as her parents. Pretty much, their garage was ripped off of its foundation, and it was just heartbreaking. You know, in the light of all the other tornadoes around the country, my heart goes out to those families and people that are just, you know, out there trying to make it, and you know, Mother Nature just came by, and it's super unfortunate. So my heart goes out to you. This story was about how the tarp, you know, didn't completely cover the lawn furniture, but it did stay put with the assistance of quite a few pieces of rope there, as you can see. But hopefully iteration 2, moving it and getting it tied up, will prove high value and durable. But the season is young here, so we'll see. So we'll see how things turn out. So thanks again, everybody, for tuning in and watching. I really appreciate it. So if you wouldn't do me a favor, hit subscribe. I'm going to continue making videos as long as you continue watching. So very much appreciated, and thank you for your time. Have a great day.